If you're visiting Philadelphia or just flying to or from the Philadelphia International Airport and are needing transportation and want to learn more about SEPTA Airport Line, then you're on the right video here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. The local public transport system in Philadelphia is called SEPTA, which stands for Southeastern Pennsylvania Transportation Authority. May it be the Link Light Rail, also known as Metro, the transit buses, or regional rail, SEPTA is the main transit system for Philadelphians, and when you need a ride to and from the airport, SEPTA has an airport line. To find the airport train service after you arrive from your flight, you follow the signs to the baggage claim from your terminal. In this case, we are at Terminal D. If you have only arrived with a carry-on, on the way to baggage claim, you can go down the escalator and arrive at the platform to the train station below. If you need to pick up your luggage, follow the signs to the baggage claim. Once you reach the escalator to bring you down to the lower floor, to the left will be where you will find the SEPTA Airport Line station. To the right, you'll find where SEPTA Transit shuttle services will be for pickups and your luggage. Once you have all your belongings, you proceed out the doors to the left of the escalator you came down and go out the doors where you will find the SEPTA train station. Cross the road and find a SEPTA key card kiosk. You will need a SEPTA key card. You can pay for a card by cash, credit, debit, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. The best part is you can reload your SEPTA key online at septakey.org. You can also purchase a quick trip, that's a single ride ticket, at the kiosks. Once you're on the airport line, the conductor may read your card along the journey, and there is a reader at all airport platforms to tap in and out. Stations for the airport line include Temple University, Jefferson Station, Suburban Station, Gray 30th Station, which is the train station, Penn Medicine Station, Eastwick, and the airport line. Stops at all airport terminals, with stops at Airport Terminal A, Airport Terminal B, Airport Terminal C and D, and Airport Terminal E and F. So it's a great way to visit or return to Philadelphia, or a fantastic service to get to the Philadelphia International Airport. And it's fast. It takes around 25 minutes to go from the airport to reach Center City. If you're looking to take the airport line to 30th Street train station and want to know more about it, check out this video. If you want to learn how to get a SEPTA key card, check out this video, and check out all my videos. And subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.